one more spot, and then we're good. Alright, we're good. Okay, one more spot. Alright, we're good. I'm thinking we walk. We walk. Get a nice walk in, huh? Get some exercise. Go on up here, because there's a guy up here. Always is. Still looting, of course, because he's bad. And we're gonna come on up here. We're gonna come on up here. See what he's looted so far. Hasn't hit that building yet. Hasn't hit that building yet. Hasn't hit the box yet. There he is. Ouch, Jim. That's a tough day. What you gonna do in there, huh? You better fucking get ready to knife me. Hey. Dude, he doesn't even know how to play gaming, period. Boom. Let's go over here. Actually, need that. Alright, back to the car. I'm gonna have to lower our bitrate because dropping frames heavy. Almost at fucking 5K drop frames. Shit out here. Fuck. I'll have to drop it down a little bit. I don't like that. Get the vehicle here. Real quick. It's always something good in here. Alright, well, not really anything that good, but hit the Buddha! Wham! Fucking A. Turns the corner right as I'm fucking coming in. Are you serious? Fucking bot. Fucking bot. Gotta be somebody real out here. I want a real player. Oh wait. Oh wait. Where is that? Oh. Oh. Oh yeah, you think you're gonna call that in over there, huh? You're just gonna be safe over there too, huh? Oops, oops. Oh, somebody right here. I see somebody? Nope, nope. Zombie, that's what I'm fucking seeing. This dude who called those zombies in has gotta be like right fucking here. Like, why can I not find him? Oh, hey. Oh my goodness gracious! Oh my goodness gracious! Scared me, Jimmy! Oh my god! Oh my goodness! Had me riled up there a little. Thanks for the assault vest, jackass! I still need knee pads, though. Oh, I'm coming over there. Sounds like too much fun over there, Warner. Oh my golly gee williker. Oh boy. It's always my driving that does me in. Oh yeah, come on out, huh? Open that window there. Let's do it, huh? Yeah, let's get right to it, huh? You jumped out that window so damn fine, aren't you? What you doing there, huh? Where you going with that, huh? What you doing there, huh? I'm 1 HP, but that's okay. I'll need some food. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. You're so confident coming out the window there. Didn't even realize it was that boy. It's that boy again. Oh god, not again, it's that boy. Like, I'd want that gun's ammo ever again. Gun's done me wrong way too many times. Can I have knee pads? Nope. Fuck. What do we have here? Nothing. Except a nade. I don't see anybody over there. Imagine all the people laying in the road. You can't do that to me, cause I know I invented that shit, bitch. Why do you even try, dude? You must have seen my clip the other night. You must have. You must have. I mean, you must have, dude. Cause I do that shit all the time. I invented that shit. You're like sitting there like, I'm gonna get hit, and I'm like, wow, he's probably gonna hop in the car. You must have seen my clip. Later. Here comes the bot. Patrick. Ah, yes. Ah, yes. Ah, yes. Let's challenge ya. Let's get him, Billy. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. She'll be driving 6'5" horses when she comes. She'll be chugging a beer when she comes. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. Here comes Georgie when he comes. Here comes Georgie when he comes. He's gonna blast you and smash you and fucking grab you and tag you. Here comes Georgie when he comes. Here comes Georgie when he comes. Here comes Georgie when he comes. You better get in that fucking water right fucking now, bitch ass motherfucker. What are you doing? Yep, knew it. Later, yoink. I'm kind of liking the glasses plus car combo equals greatness. I think I'm gonna do... Oh man, dude. Honestly, the glasses and car combo is kind of spicy. It's kind of spicy. I may just go no knee pads, you know? What? CP3? Are you serious? I fucking said it, dude. You didn't fucking hear me? No neeps. I'm thinking cigar, glasses, drive around, glasses, jacket, shirt man, you know what I'm saying? Call me glasses, jacket, shirt man. Call me glasses, jacket, shirt man. 80 degrees, leather jacket, because I'm super hot, boy. I'm getting on the other side of the river. Fuck the storm. The storm doesn't even exist. The storm loves me. This guy's hiding at the bunker. I think these guys had any PPSH ammo. Nope. My car is my ENAS. Here's something cool they added to the game. I'm about to show you. Well, you can make your own motherfucking door. Kirkpatrick! I fucking love it. This car is better. Much quicker. It's quicker. We made our own exit over here. Oh my god! I didn't like that thing either. The Bat Cave exit. I'm thinking somebody's in that fucking bunker. Somebody's in the bunker, Bob. We're playing games. We're playing games with my heart. Playing games with my... Oh, saw him. I see him. I think I see him. Oh, I see him now. Hey. Couldn't hit fucking Dong if Dong could hit you. Hi. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, buddy. It's time to... That's two. How many more you want? How many more you want? You want one more? Looks like you want one more. It's kind of looking like you want one more. I should be over there in the car by now. In fact, what am I doing? Here I come. I'm not even full health, but here I come. We'll eat on the way. Eat on the way. Ah. Uh-oh, Jim, that's a bad idea. I didn't even have my fucking gun out, dude. That's how bad this dude was. I don't have a car anymore, so we're just gonna fucking walk it out. Let's not walk it out. Peace out, walk it out. Oh my goodness. Oh, thought I saw him. That dude really thought. He really thought, huh? Just like, I'm gonna be so sneaky, watch this, I'm gonna put my little spray down and then jump up, he's gonna be like right there. And then I'm gonna kill him, dude. Except for the fact that, like, you looked at the car and you were like, wait, where'd he go? As I ploop down behind you. I don't even have any knee pads, this is kinda dangerous. Being out in the open, it kinda gets me a little fucking... gets me going a little bit in the wrong direction. But you want to bet he's in a house, like a mouse, or a spouse. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Which house, though? Should I get in the cannon and just start busting shit up? What do you think? Options here. Either way, I can't believe that dude tried to challenge me. He took 2 to the dome, he thought about it. And then he just, you know, said, fuck it, come over here and kill me. And I did. CB3 with the no knee pads win here. Probably gonna happen. Because we're waiting for Jonathan here to come on out of the building. Come on, Jonathan. I'm waiting on you, Jonathan. We're on your time, Jonathan. We're on your time, buddy. Let's skirt back over here. We are on your time, Jonathan. Don't make me come in these fucking houses here. Yes, I will. Don't preach so hard. I won't even know it if it's possible. Come on, Jonathan. You always be doing this shit, Jonathan. Every day with this shit. Here I come. Agumi. Wait a minute. No, you're not there. What are you doing in here? Oh, I heard your ass. Nice try, Johnny. What you doing, Johnny? Huh? Let me cook this real quick. Let me cook this real quick. Later! Cook one up for him.